Hello people, in this lecture, let's add an action to remove the item from our order. Go here to order repository, go here to order controller, copy this one, and this will have an integer as parameter. Let's say dish ID. Let's name it as remove item. Right here in the card, let's say that as route, let's say dish ID will be our dish ID. All right, let's go to our order repository. Let's add a new method here. This will return a task of boolean. Let's have an int 64 here for dish ID. Let's say this will be the name of this method will be remove item, and this will have as well an order ID. Let's get our order. First, our default async. Let's get our dish. Let's go to our dishes. First, our default async is equals dish ID. Let's go to our order dishes, remove this dish. Both can be null, so let's put it in a try block. Actually, we're not putting the error handling in the repository, so let's place it like it is, and in the bottom let's return true. Let's go here to order controller. Now we can put it in a try block. This will return an exception. We can go here to login controller, the temp data success, the temp data error. Get the temp data success and temp data error. Let's say the operation has failed as temp data error, but in the both results we're gonna redirect the user to action name of cart. No matter what happens, we'll redirect the user to the cart action. Here we're gonna receive our integer with our order ID as well. Let's go here to cart and say ask route order ID. And here we can pass our model with the order ID. Call our order repository, remove item with our dish ID and order ID. Let's await for the operation. And I think that's it. Let's see it running. Go here to our cart. If we see here at the bottom, we have the remove item with our query strings for dish ID and order ID. Let's remove the item. We have our dish ID and our order ID. Now we're gonna get our order. We're gonna get our dish. And we're gonna remove the dish. And I've forgotten to save the changes async. I'll wait. Context save changes async. To save the changes we removed, and of course we must include, I've forgotten to do that, we must include our dishes. My bad, my mistake. Let's hot reload it. We have now our order with the dishes. We've removed the dishes and we saved the changes and returned true. The temp data success, and we're gonna be redirected to the action of cart. I don't know, it did not display the temp data. Of course, we're not displaying that toaster because the toaster is just in admin. Let's copy this toaster. Let's place it here. Go to the layouts. We can remove the toaster from the admin because it will be used in both areas, in the normal area and in the admin area. Let's go to the layouts. After the toast script, we're gonna place our partial. Let's see if everything is correct. The operation occurred successfully. It's the operation that we did. We can say remove item. The operation occurred successfully. And that's it. In the next lecture, we're gonna implement the finished ordering process. See you again.